We'll guide you through how to find a lost or stolen Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So this can be really stressful. I've been there, I've gone and lost a phone before, and then you're unable to go and find it, and you want to try tracking it. We're going to guide you through how you can try and do this. So it's important to note that there is a setting that will need to be turned on the lost or stolen phone for this to go and work. Of course, there's only one way to go and find out if it is turned on, is by attempting to go and track it, which is what we're going to guide you through in this video. So you will need to go onto another device, whether that is a computer or whether that is another phone. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be yours either. You could go and use a friend's or somebody else's. So in this case, we could do it on an iPhone, you could do it on another Android or a computer, as I said. In this case, I'll do it on an iPhone, but it doesn't matter. It's going to be the same steps. So go and open up a web browser. I'll open up Safari, but it could be Chrome, it doesn't matter. You want to come to google.com as you usually would, and you need to go and sign in. What you need to do is go and sign into the Google and Gmail account that is on the lost Android phone. It has to be the same one, otherwise this is not going to work. So go to the top right and go and press sign in. If an account is already signed in, it doesn't matter. What you need to do is go and press on your profile icon in the top right, or the profile icon, go down and you can then press add account, or if there's multiple already, press show more accounts and press add another account. Then you can go and enter in the email or phone number account that you're trying to go and log into, and then enter the password. So I've already got this account half signed in here, so I just need to go and enter in the password, which I'll do now. After you've gone and signed in, we now need to go to where we can go and track it. So what you can do is go and type in Google Find Hub, like so. So this is where we can go and locate people, but also devices. So you can press search, then you can go and press Find Hub, like so. So by default, it may be going and showing you the people, as you can see at the bottom, that's friends and family. You want to select devices in the bottom left, and then hopefully it's going to go and track your device. As you can see, it's contacting it, and we can go and see where it was last seen. And there it is. And so then what you can do is it was seen just now as well. So we can go and see the location. I'm just going to go and hide it and show you the option we've got at the bottom. So you can go and play a sound. If you've gone and lost it in your house, this is really convenient. You can go and play it and you can then hear a loud sound. So maybe in a bag or something like that. You can press mark as lost and you can go and see what's going to go and happen here. So it'll go and be locked with the PIN, password or pattern. You'll be notified when it's available. You'll be signed out the Google account and payment cards are going to be removed. Or you could go and factory reset it and remove everything from it if you're worried it's in the hands of the wrong person. So there we go. There are some different options, and hopefully with the help of this guide, you managed to go and find and track it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.